Welcome back to Grow My Savings. If you've ever wondered why some people seem to grow their wealth steadily over time while others struggle to get ahead, here's the secret. It's all in the daily habits. Wealth isn't built overnight or from one big win. It's built from consistent, smart actions repeated day after day. Today, we'll break down simple daily habits that can transform your financial future, even if you're just starting out. The first habit of wealth builders, awareness. Take 5 minutes each day to review your spending. Use an app, a notebook, or your bank's tracker. Just know where your money goes. Why? Because you can't improve what you don't measure. Once you start noticing your spending patterns, you naturally begin making better decisions. Small awareness equals big control. Before spending a single dollar, pay your future self first. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment account every payday, even if it's just $10 or $20. Before spending a single dollar, pay your future self first. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment account every payday, even if it's just $10 or $20. Wealthy people are lifelong learners. Spend just 10 minutes a day reading, watching, or listening to something that expands your financial knowledge, like this channel. Because financial literacy is the foundation of freedom. The more you understand how money works, the better your decisions and results become. Here's a mindset shift. Every dollar you spend is a vote for your future. Ask yourself daily, does this purchase bring me closer to my goals or further away? When you spend with intention and not impulse, you'll find you have more money left to grow and invest. That's how smart spending becomes a wealth habit. Before bed, take 1 minute to reflect. What did I do well financially today? What can I improve tomorrow? These small daily reflections keep you consistent, motivated, and in control of your long-term vision. Because real wealth isn't about perfection. It's about progress repeated every day. So remember, track, automate, learn, spend wisely, and reflect. Those small habits might not feel like much today, but they're compounding into the financial future you've always wanted. Thanks for watching Grow My Savings. If you're ready to build long-term wealth the smart way, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs the reminder. And don't miss our next episode, the Snowball Strategy, Growing Wealth One Step at a Time.